All right, so let's go ahead and tackle 3 and 4 in the same video. So for number 3, again, if we're going to add these together, we add the real components and the imaginary components together. Maybe you recognize the fact that these are conjugates of each other, so you know this is going to be a pretty quick addition. But we're just going to do 5 plus 5, and then we'll add the 2 imaginary terms together, so negative 8i plus 8i. So we end up with 10 plus 0i, so it's just 10. Now, because these are conjugates, you should end up with the same sort of thing happening when we multiply, meaning we're going to get a real number when we multiply these two things together. And here's why. 5 times 8i is going to be 40i. Negative 8i times 5 is minus 40i. And then our last terms, it will be negative 64i squared. And then remember, I squared, we always substitute negative 1 in for it. So really what we have here is 25. And then these two middle terms here are just going to be 0. So we have minus 64 times negative 1, which that's really saying 25 plus 64. And when you add 25 and 64 together, you get 89.